Okay, for today's video, we're going to use a wall, and I recommend some good pair of socks. We're going to have our heels against the wall, keep your legs nice and straight. Bonus, let your hands fall backwards to kind of open up the shoulders. We're going to hang out here today. Today we're going to focus on passive stretching. It should be nice and relaxing. Make sure your back is nice and flat. Some of you might feel a little bit more comfortable putting a small pillow behind your neck, but we're just going to hang out here. I'm trying to scoot my butt a little closer to the wall. Now, depending on your hamstring flexibility, further away from the wall is a little easier. Closer your butt to the wall, the harder it gets. Now, from this position, we're gonna take advantage of having socks on, and we're gonna let our legs slowly open up. So the goal here is to let gravity slowly open up your legs. Now you should feel this in the groin and as well as the hamstring. And again, I'm keeping my palms over my head a little bit to get that nice shoulder opening as well. Now the goal here is just to hang out, breathe, and allow your legs to slowly open up. Some of you might be able to get your legs a little further, some may not. Stay within your comfort level, but every few seconds or so, try to allow your legs to open up a bit more. Very good. Continue on working on your breathing. Make sure you have a flat back, no arch in the lower back. Very good. Few more seconds, and we're using the wall. We're going to slowly start bringing our legs back to center. Very good. Reset into that first position. Legs a little bit more narrow. It's going to be more centered towards the belly of the hamstring. And again, hang out here as best you can. Focus on your breathing. Big breath in. And as you exhale, try to push your ribs down to the floor. It's really going to help maximize getting that hamstring and back and everything opened up. Very good. And again, this passive stretching, you want to be as relaxed as you can. It's going to help get blood flow back to the heart. And in 3, 2, and 1, we're going to transition back into a wide open leg position. On your second go around, you might be able to get a little bit deeper than your first go. And again, you should feel this in the inner groin and a little bit more towards the interior part of those hamstrings. We're focus on breathing. Allowing those socks to kind of slide down off that wall. Very good. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. And on every few seconds, try to get those legs to open up a bit more. It should be mild discomfort, but it should also feel good. It shouldn't be painful. If it hurts, you got to bring it back in. It just means you're going a little bit far for your level at this moment. Very good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. We're going to transition into a child pose position. And this one, we're going to place our palms to the wall. Modifier is going to be at the top. If child pose is a little tough for you, don't push your feet out. Keep your toes down. You don't have to sink as deep in, and stay a little bit higher as the modifier. You can also place a pillow behind your knees if this is helpful. This is the last stretch that we're doing. We're just going to focus on breathing. Palms firmly pressed into the wall. On each breath, I'm focused my chest dropping closer towards the floor. Keep your head neutral. Don't let your head drip down too much. Very good. Continue breathing in and breathing out. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good.